Hey everyone, Will Penny here with Penny Real Estate Company. Thanks so much for being one of our clients, and we're so pleased to be able to provide you with the use of our moving truck. In this video, we're going to talk about the 4 steps that you'll need to know in order to rent the truck. First, we're going to give you a quick overview of the cabin. Then we'll give you a quick overview of the inside of the box. Then we'll talk about how to use the ramp, and then we'll talk about how to return the vehicle. Thanks again for being a client of ours. Have a great day, and don't forget to refer us. We love recommendations. Okay, we're inside the truck and we're going to give you a quick overview. Here's the key. This is pretty basic stuff. Lock, unlock. This one doesn't do anything, and this one will set the alarm off. Hopefully you won't need it. So we turn the car on, foot on the brake. The radio is here. Push the button.
To remember the way he lived.
Volume, and turn it off. Okay. Over here, you can see we turn the headlights on. These are lights on, lights off. If you want to adjust the outside mirrors, turn it to the left or turn it to the right for the right one, and then you can toggle this. Windows open and close, lock, unlock. Right here, obviously, you have to press the button in the front. When you put it in reverse, you'll hear that it makes a god-awful noise. Please make sure that when you're backing up, this truck's well over 20 feet long, so make sure that you are looking out of both sides so that you don't back into anything. It's very easy to happen. Okay, we've got the windshield wipers here on the right side. Pull it towards you to spray the windshield, then down. Over here, we've got this is basic. This is just the brights and to turn them off. That's pretty much it. Now, here in the center, in order for us to be compliant with the coronavirus rules, in here we've got some napkins, we've got sanitizer, Windex, and we also have some all-purpose cleaner. When you return the truck, if you could please wipe down the steering wheel, the handles, anything that you touched with the sanitizer, just to be ready for the next person. That would be wonderful. And then also, if you could please return the gas to where you found it. Like right now it's on a quarter tank. Usually it's on 3/4 to full when we give the truck out. Oh, air conditioning. Obviously we've got that here. Press the AC button and you've got the fan here. Again, pretty basic stuff. This button here is if you want to have air pull from the outside or from the inside. And hazard lights here. Also, up here, this means something. 10'6". If you're going under a bridge, please make sure that you don't go over anything that's under this height, because you will smash the top of the box. Obviously, you don't want that to happen, neither do we. So, hopefully this explains anything or everything, and we'll get on to the next step. We're going to talk about the ramp. One of the cool features of this truck is it has a built-in ramp so that you can wheel things in and out of the truck since it's so high up with the dolly. So here, there's a handle under here. The ramp's right here. Be very careful because this spring is pretty strong. Pull this out with 2 hands, turn it to the left counterclockwise, and then let it back in. But be really careful so you don't smash your fingers, okay? There's a handle here, then you just pull them out. Okay, to the end, lower it. Now, you're gonna need 2 people for this next part. So what you do, there's two hooks here and here, and they need to go right here where it says ramp, these holes. So you lift it up, pull it in a bit, lower it, and then it's on there, okay? So that's how it works. Now we're gonna show you how to put it back in. So we just lift it up, 2 people, pull it out, lower it. Helps to be really muscly like I am. All right, push it all the way in, watch your fingers. Grab this spring. Again, be really careful here. We don't want you hurting yourself. And then it's locked in place, okay? So there's the ramp. Now we're gonna talk about opening up the back of the truck and closing it again. So We keep this locked for obvious reasons because we don't want the dolly stolen. So we open it up. We'll give you the combination to the lock when you get your instructions. Okay, we take the lock and we hang it right here, okay? Put it and then close it. All right, now to open this up, be very careful because there's lots of ways to pinch your fingers here. All right, so push this down, open this, see this? Open this up, okay? Bring this open and then make sure you latch it. It has to be latched here. This cannot be down here when you open this up because if it is, it's gonna get hung up on the top of the door, all right? So you just open this up, just weighted, and they'll go up there like that. We've got the dolly, we talked about that. The best way to store this when you're moving the truck is just make sure it's in this position, push to the side, that way it's away from the ramp, and the door will actually keep it in spot because it's hanging over the edge, all right? We're gonna give you 12 blankets. These are nice industrial blankets for covering your stuff up. We're gonna give you 12. The only thing we ask is if you can just fold them up and put them back up here like this when you're done. These are here. If you want to bring your own ropes or bungee cords, then you could attach things to the side. We don't provide those, so you might want to think about that. The nice thing is during the day it's real light in here. It does have a skylight. Okay, so next we're going to talk about closing this. So there's the handle. You come down here like this, just close it, grab the handle, close it, get this latch, close this down, push it in place, and then get the lock and put it on through the hole here, and then you're done. Okay, now we're going to talk about returning the vehicle. So a lot of this is obvious, but just want to make sure I said it. So inside, if you could please sweep out the back of the truck just to make sure there's no debris or dirt in there. Make sure that the dolly is in this position, pushed away from the ramp, up against the side with the lip over the edge, and then close it, all right? Then we're going to walk around front. Please take a picture of the mileage and the gas gauge with your phone. By the way, the gas cap is here, okay? And it's a newfangled one where you can just gas straight through it, all right? This will not open when the door's closed. So make sure the door's open first, okay? To check the gas. Here's the bucket that we have between the seats we showed you earlier. We've got paper towels, Windex, all-purpose cleaner, and then we have this, which is sanitizer. If you could please, again, we said it before, but if you could please wipe down everything, wipe down the doors on both sides. If there's any smudges on the windows, we would just like it to be returned nicely. Then when you're done, just to protect yourself and so that we can document, because if you're getting the truck on the weekend, a lot of times people won't be here. So our auto return policy is just when you're done, if you could please take a video of the outside of the truck and just walk around all sides just to show that there's no damage. And also, make sure that you check the front with your phone just to show that there's no damage all the way around. And then we'll give you instructions on where you can send that video. And then the photograph of the gas gauge. If you could return the truck with gas at where you had it, we'll note it on the rental agreement. Just return it at the same level that you got it at. And that's pretty much it. Again, thanks for being a client of ours, and I hope this truck is useful for you. Have a great day.